Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jinty. If you're new here, I'm on a journey to become debt free. Happy Thursday. Today we're cash stuffing some money and we're also opening a little mailbox from Beauty Mom's Budgets, also known as Sarah. You guys, I order a Hello Kitty challenge because if you know me, I love Hello Kitty. I like to collect Hello Kitty. I have older greeters like plushies animals, if that's what it's called. It's like older. Let me show you. And so I love to collect stuff like that. Like, for example, here's one. Okay, it is so cute, like that. It's so long, they're big. And so I love Hello Kitty, so everybody knows that. And she was like, hey, can I send you some goodies that I actually been building up to send you, but I think your order is this you? And I was like, yeah, that's me. She was like, okay, can I send it in this order? And I was like, sure. But I did not expect her to send me a box, like legit a freaking box, you guys. I thought she was probably gonna send me like an extra saving challenge or something, but no, Sarah sent me a freaking box. And the cute little sticker here that says thank you for your order. The cute little avocado, you know her, she loves avocado. And another thing, guys, it never fails. Every time I white out like the address, I always get whiteouts on my hands. But yeah, so let me let you know how much money I have today to cash stuff though. I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10 and 15, 115, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, $122 to cash out for this Thursday. I will let you know this video might be a long video, very chatty, okay? And I also want to update you guys on something on my envelope, okay? Okay. All right, let's just go ahead and get started, shall we? When I saw this box last night when I came from work, my husband got it on break. So last night when I came and I saw this box, I always look at every mail that we get, and I saw that it said my name, and I'm like, what the heck? I was like, I have not ordered anything big. And so when I saw it was from Sarah, I was like, oh, no, you didn't. No, you did not. Sarah, you're so kind. Like, legit, you're so sweet and so kind for this. Okay. It says Yancy. Oh my goodness. Sorry. My camera may move a lot. Okay. So it says Yancy. Okay, can I read this? Can I read this out loud? I don't know. First, let me see. Oh my gosh, okay. We make a great combo, the french fries and the burger. Oh my gosh, look, french fry burger. So cute. Okay, let's open this up. Oh my gosh, shut up. Thank you for always being so sweet to me. Hope you enjoy those goodies. Oh my gosh. Sarah, this is so freaking cute. Where did you get this? This is so freaking cute. Thank you, Sarah. Trust me, I try my best to always be kind and sweet to anyone if I can. Like, if you talk to me, I'll talk to you. Like, legit. That's me. Another one? What is this? Okay, here's her thank you for your order sticker. The happy mail has arrived in this lime green avocado color. Legit. Okay, so here's my order. So what did you send? Oh my gosh. Okay. Hold on. Ugh, okay. Just want to make sure that it doesn't show my address yet. Okay. So it says, thank you for your purchase, Yancy. I really appreciate you. Thank you for supporting my small business. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay. Love it. Let me know. Snap a photo and leave a kind review. It says, holy walk. You're gonna love this. Yeah. This is why I order it, because I'm gonna love it. Duh. I'm just teasing. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, by the way, don't mind my voice. I have some little friends on my throat, aka boogers or mucus, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Okay, first thing first, we have the cute little avocado sticker. Oh my gosh. And then we have the little cute balloon, like doggy, that has been so popular last year. I don't even know the name of that. And then we have some freebie here for Save 35. Okay, I love this. I'm definitely going to use this for Mini Mondays. Yes. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's put this here right now for right now. And then this is what I got. I got the Hello Kitty Easter for $35, you guys. Look how freaking cute. I love it. You can find her on Etsy, on Instagram, and on YouTube for Beauty Mom Budget. So cute. This is the one I order. And I guess I got this one, like the sushi and the soy sauce for $40. This one is another freebie. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. By the way, the quality, this is amazing, Sarah. Like, I love this. It's so cute. It prints out beautifully. Look. Wow. Okay. Thank you. Okay, yeah. That's it. Yes. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm just in shock. Like, literally. Okay. What could it be here? I don't know, guys. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. You know how I tell you guys I love Hello Kitty? Look, like, you're kidding. You are kidding. Okay, first thing first, I already know what this is. It's the little macaroon lip balm. I'm definitely going to unpack this literally right now and put it in my bag. I'm not kidding. I love lip balm. And then I've seen this at TJ Maxx. And yeah, I always get little stuff like this. Oh my gosh. I'm beyond shocked. Like, legit. I don't know what to say. Okay. Let me see. I believe this is a mug, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm in beyond shock. Like, legit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And it goes perfectly with this, with my cardigan color. Okay, this is so cute. I'm definitely gonna use this for my coffee. You will see me posting this with coffee on Instagram stories. Okay. And it's from the Hello Kitty Sanrio, and it says Hello Kitty, girl, you know me. And this is a huge mug, so I'm definitely gonna tell hubby to fill it up. Okay, I need coffee. Fill it up. I have never seen this style. I'm in shock. I wonder where you got it. I've never seen this before, so I'm in shock with this one. Let me put that there. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. And then we have the Hello Kitty Function Essence Mask. So the power of 2 masks in 1. Ooh, pineapple? That smells delicious. Okay, pineapple. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, I cannot wait. You know what is so funny? Do I have it still? Oh no, I don't. I had some masks from the Hello Kitty from fall season. You know how they change their packaging depending on the season. I had some from fall season not that long ago, and yes, they smell so good. Thank you so much for this. This is so thoughtful. Like, legit, this is so thoughtful. And that one came with 3, so 3 masks. And then last but not least, I know I've seen this one, and it's so funny that I did not get it, because I was like, no, I cannot be spending money on stuff like this. But I saw this. I know I did. I think it was from TJ Maxx, or they both of the store have it, TJ Maxx and Marshalls. But either way, oh my gosh, you guys, this is the cute Hello Kitty note. Oh my gosh, yes, I will use this. I will definitely use this. Trust me. Look. So you can write down notes, any idea, whatever I want. Put sticker, whatever I want. That is so cute. Like, legit, I like this. This is so thoughtful and so kind. Like, what made you think of me like this? Like, for real. Like, I do not deserve this. Like, I don't deserve this. Like, legit. Like, that is so kind and so sweet, Sarah. I'm just so thankful. Like, legit, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. Let me take a cute thumbnail. Okay, take a cute thumbnail here. Okay, hold on. Hold on. All right, let me see. Let me scoot this more over here and take a cute thumbnail. Oh my gosh, I was wondering. I'm like, what is this? Like, what? Okay, let me see. All right, 1, 2, 3, thumbnail. All right, thank you so much, Sarah. You guys, Sarah is so kind. Check her out, Beauty Mom's Budget. I will leave her on the description so you guys can go check out. Like, legit, like, thank you. Like, for real, I was not expecting this. I really wasn't. So when I saw the box, that surprised me. I was like, I even told my husband, I'm like, I only ordered Hello Kitty saving challenge. I was like, I was expecting for maybe her sending like maybe an extra like saving challenge, but I was like, her sending me a box, I don't know. I was like, I don't know what that means. So I am in shock with that. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Sarah. Like, legit. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm definitely going to save your cute little card. I think it's so cute. I really like that. Truly love that. Okay. Wow, I'm in shock. I am in shock. Was not expecting that. Like, that was so kind and sweet. Thank you so much. Like, legit. Muchas gracias. For real. Like, how many times can I say thank you? Okay. Oh my gosh. Like, wow. That just threw me off for real. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and get started on our little cash stuffing. I will update you guys on something. So here on this one right here, you guys, I had $120 for my oil change, and maybe with some filter. If you know, you know. So I took off the leftover, which was $47, if I'm not mistaken, from here. Where is the envelope? Did I skip it? Well, I took off the 40. Okay, yeah, from here I took off the $46, 47 actually, I think. So $7 that I had here, I put it towards my Christmas saving challenge, the little book by Drip by E. And then the other $40, I put it here. The $40. Okay, so that means that we only have this much left, and I would let you guys know that I will be completing this. Okay, but first thing first, let me get my rent and bill binder, which is right here. And this one I'm only going to add $20, so that means I should be left with $200 left to. Okay, so Katie told me that bending your binders, just breaking them in. So okay, I will do that from now on, and hopefully, in God's willing, knock on wood, I don't mess it up. Because I get so paranoid and like freaked out when people do that. But she said it's just so you can break them in. I'm like, okay, I got you. Okay, so 20 added. So now we have 100, 200, 300. So 300, and we need 200 left for rent, and we'll be completing this for this month. And we still have about 2 weeks left, so that means that I still got time for that. So there's that. Okay, awesome sauce. All right, now we're going to complete this right here. By the way, guys, it is very gloomy outside. It's like raining, and we're supposed to get snow today and maybe tomorrow, but not here where I'm at. It's more like the upper state. And yeah, we're only gonna get the cool weather, which sucks. All right, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 left, and we're gonna complete it. So that's 40, 50, and 60. Okay, I know I said I wanted to wait maybe like 2 weeks to complete it, but girl, no, I'm not trying to pay interest on that. So look, here we have it. Those $300 are going back to the bank to pay off that credit card for my battery that I put it on, because I knew I was going to complete something and change things around. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So yay, look, you guys, we finished. Oh my goodness, we finished. Yay! Let's count. All right, 100, 200, and 100. So $300. Woohoo! We're paying off our little we're paying off our our credit card for our battery. So if you're new here, you need to watch the video from yesterday so you can catch up what happened. Or the day before, I don't remember. But anyways, yay! All right, next, you guys, we have this one right here. We have 10, 20, $35 left to complete that. How many do we have? 10, 20, 35. Yeah, screw it. Why not? 10, 20, 30, and 5. Yes, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Yes. Okay. So 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oops, 35. 40. Okay, 40. I know we have 40. I know we do. I counted wrong. Okay. 10, 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Ha! Oh my goodness, you guys. Yes. I've been stressing so much, you guys. You don't even know. I've been stressing so much with my credit card bills, because I'm trying to pay off as soon as possible to get that interest free. I'm literally like $400 away for me to not pay interest anymore on that one, and makes me so happy because I did some transfer for me. It was cheaper for me to transfer it like that, if that makes sense. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Like, legit, for real. Thank you, thank you. 150 also completed. Oh, makes me so happy. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we have this envelope here. I want to update you guys on this one too, you guys. So I took off $92. So $92 from the Happy Meal fund, because I told myself there's no way I'm gonna let this go by or slide by, you know. So I took off the $92, and all I have left now here is just $3, and whatever I cashed off for the rest. That's about it. That's all I have for this year. So the reason I did that is because I just didn't want to make that purchase from SavSave just out of my pocket. I wanted to just get it out from the Happy Meal fund. So I just decided to do that. I think it's the best financial thing. Okay, so I only have $2 left, and that means that I don't have anything really to cash stuff it at besides my kiddos. Yeah, this one's $3, so yeah. Oh, this one's $2. Okay, let's do this one. Let's add it to the little cat or the little doggy saving challenge. Okay, so we're gonna add it here. Okay, so we're gonna add $2 for this one, and this one will save us $100. So yay. Wow, I was legit not expecting how everything went down today. Like, I'm not kidding. I never plan anything. I may record ahead of time, but I do not plan anything. So I'm just in shock how this worked out, how this went, and wow. And with the Happy Meal, even Happy Meal was like the cherry on top, like legit. Wow, okay. I'm just in shock. So I'm gonna be putting 300 plus 150, so 450 towards my payment. So yay. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely Thursday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Freebie Friday. Thank you so much. Bye guys, have a great day.